In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply black patina to solder. So here's our project we're working on today. Now, this has been made using a 60-40 solder. As you can see, it's a three-dimensional piece, and we're going to tint the solder black. I have a bucket full of tap water, and the sudsy bubbles are not soap. They're actually this product called NutriClean by Classic. Now, this will be helpful for cleaning off flux before we start our project, and it will also be used to neutralize the patina after. I use a simple kitchen sponge for cleaning my projects. And the black patina that I use is Black Patina for Solder by Novacan. Now you can see that I pour some of this product out into a little, it's actually an applesauce dish. They're the perfect size for this. And so I pour it out into the little dish, and you can see that there are warnings on the bottle that it may cause burns to the skin. So I always wear gloves when I'm doing this, and I use nitrile gloves. They are thicker than latex gloves, which means that I can use them over and over again for multiple projects. So let's get started with this. So I'm going to use a simple little paintbrush to apply the patina to the solder. So I can paint right over all of the solder seams with this, and I'm only going to work in small areas at a time, and then I'm going to dip my brush into the patina again. So when you're working on something and you're adding patina, always try to work in maybe, I like to do about 6 to 8 inches of work at a time, and then I dip the brush again. And this is important because if you don't keep dipping your brush and picking up more patina to add to the project, and you kind of stretch out what you've got in the brush across a wide area, what happens is you don't get a complete reaction, and it will actually turn kind of a bronzy color, and it's very inconsistent that way. So I like to go and dip my brush frequently and apply more patina. Now, the reason it turns black is it's a chemical reaction. So some people, you will hear them tell you, oh, I put patina on and then I let it sit for an hour. Well, you can see when I'm applying the product, it turns black instantly, which means the chemical reaction has happened. So leaving the chemical on the glass for a long period of time won't make it turn more black, but it may damage your glass. I have had it happen where just doing a large project that has a lot of red glass, especially cathedral red glass, the product can actually create a bit of marring on the surface, almost like not quite an etching, but it gives a different colored look to the surface of the glass, right around the very edge where the solder meets up to it. So I try not to leave the patina on too long. You can actually see the chemical reaction happening before your eyes. So using your paintbrush with the patina, you're going to work your way around the outside, the top edge, the inside, the bottom edge, and once you're done, you're going to look over the whole project and make sure that you didn't miss any spots and do any touch-ups that you need to. And then you'll be able to clean the project and have it finished, basically. So once you are content that you have everything tinted black, you can go ahead and put the project back into the water, and using the little scrubby sponge, you can clean up the project and clean off any patina that has been left behind on the project. So there's one more thing that I would like to point out about using patina for stained glass, and this goes for any color of patina. In the beginning, when I poured the patina into that little dish that's on the right side of the screen, it was a bright blue color. And now it looks almost like a bit of a green tinge is in there. And this is because I was dipping my brush into there, and I was putting basically used patina back into the patina that I was using as a new patina. So if you think about doing this in a bottle, you're actually going to contaminate the whole bottle of patina. So this is why I pour it out into a little dish. One, it's easier to dip the brush into a dish than the bottle, but two, I'm not contaminating my bottle. Now there is going to be a tutorial added to the website where you can buy the pattern and video tutorial on how to make this project. So if that's something that interests you, be sure to check out the links below. Now the little daisy flowers that you see in this, can be used either as a candle holder or as a small lamp. And the little daisies that are on here are made in a kiln. They're handmade here in the studio, and those will also be available for purchase through the online store. You can also find links for all the other supplies used in making the video in the description below. So let's do a quick recap of all the steps we took to complete this project with black patina. So once you've finished soldering your project, you're going to wash it with water and NutriClean, dry the project, then you apply the Novacan black patina for solder. I was using a paintbrush to do this. Then you'll wash it again with the same water and NutriClean, and then you dry the project. That's all there is to adding black patina to your stained glass copper foil projects. And here is the result of applying the black patina. Now, if you have something to add to today's topic, please leave a comment below. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn more skills for stained glass and fused glass, start by subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.